This is baked camembert with honey and thyme. Serves 4 and takes 20 minutes to prepare. 250 grams of camembert cheese. 2 tablespoons of honey. 1 clove of garlic. 6 sprigs of fresh thyme. 1 teaspoon of olive oil. 1 crusty baguette, sliced for serving. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and place the oven rack in the middle position. Unwrap the camembert and place the whole wheel in a small oven-proof dish or on parchment in a shallow baking dish. Using a sharp knife, score a shallow cross pattern across the top rind about 1 centimeter deep. Peel the garlic clove and halve it. Rub the cut garlic gently into the scored lines on the cheese. Drizzle 1 teaspoon of olive oil over the top to help the honey glide and to encourage browning. Place 3 sprigs of thyme on top and tuck 3 sprigs around the sides for aroma. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of honey evenly over the top so it fills the scored lines. Bake the camembert in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes until the center is gooey and the top is lightly golden. While the cheese bakes, slice the baguette and brush the slices with a little olive oil, then toast them under the broiler or in a hot pan for about 2 minutes per side until golden. Remove the baked camembert carefully from the oven using oven mitts and let it sit for 1 minute. Optionally, press the remaining 3 thyme sprigs into the melted top and add an extra drizzle of honey if you like it sweeter. Serve the baked camembert immediately with the toasted baguette slices for dipping. Enjoy! Now we'll finish and close the recipe. If you liked this baked camembert recipe, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for more French bakes.